I'm Ara Fesperman with MStagers Realty Partners, and today we're going to talk about why should a seller have a pre-inspection before they list their house. Well, think about this. You're getting your house all ready to go, you've done all kinds of things to it, you've made it all nice and pretty, you go under contract, you get an inspection done, and repairs come up. Small things. Sometimes it can be a list of small things. Sometimes it can be major things. But what if you had done that prior to even listing your house? You get the inspection done, you're able to go over that with your agent. There are going to be concerns for any buyer or things that are just kind of normal wear and tear and we expect to see. And then you go under contract. But you're able to give that buyer that inspection report so they have the option of either using that report or they can have their own, either way. But you're going to have very few surprises when you do that. And that way your negotiations go so much smoother and so much easier, and you have a better chance of getting to the closing table. So, see, that's why it makes such good sense to go ahead and get that inspection done up front. Get those pesky repairs done that buyers may be concerned about, and then you don't have to worry about doing that during the stress of trying to get your property moved. So if you have some questions about this or just want to talk to us about listing pre-inspections, please give us a call. You can reach us at our office at 210-305-5665. Again, I'm Ara with the Missy Stagers team at MStagers Realty Partners, and we look forward to seeing you next time.